If you are asking for 10 lakh of funding, so they'll see over a period of 3 years, have you done that spending or not? First of all, thanks to VYK, Udayji and the team and all the social enterprises, NGOs sitting here. Thanks for this privilege to talk and sit in the panel and talk about this gaps and all. So I look after CSR of Apollo Hospitals Pan India. So we are focusing on healthcare, as you said, and there are lots of gaps. Still, we said we are in 75 years after independence and all. We celebrate it and all, but still, when you go in the deeper inside the villages, or so many areas are there, rural areas, where still people doesn't know anything about the healthcare. So our focus is mainly on preventive care and beyond healthcare. So we health camps we do, but it's not like one day you, for the sake of it, you go and do the health camp and you come back, then next day you are going somewhere else just for the beneficiary, taking a beneficiary number. That is not our goal. Our goal is to eradicate or keep people aware in that area. I also look after the trust of Apollo Hospitals. So what I have seen, when you look for a funding or grants from any organization, so ज़्यादातर मैंने ये देखा है कि किसी भी NGO से when we talk, so they'll say, okay, we are doing education also, we are doing health, we can work in any project. So focus is missing. So first of all, you should focus what is your focus area. Most of the time, likewise, our focus is health, so we will focus on health till we bring change in that. So if there is focus is missing, sometime whenever you go for a grant, and what they see, when they'll see all the documents, you will say, okay, documents are okay. They'll see 3 years of your balance sheet. If you are asking for 10 lakh of funding, so they'll see over a period of 3 years, have you done that spending or not? Because they'll see your capacity. Are you be able to utilize that fund in the right direction or not? So that thing, sometimes NGOs or social civil society, they miss most of the point, and the grant was not was declined. So if there is a focus, what area you want to focus, where you want to bring the change, if you do that, I think you will be, and 3 years of working is mandatory. Wherever you go for a grant, they'll see that at least the NGO is registered. 3 years of registration is mandatory. What work you have done, and if your balance sheet or something is you are spending that much of fund, the capacity is important. So that's why we have also we also need all the time. You cannot use your organization CSR fund for running long-term sustainability. We also need funds, and we also ask for the grants and funding donations for other NGOs, so that we can do more sustainable projects. So we have also shared our documentation. We have been asked question, when we ask answers, okay, why we are not able to do this work, or why we are not spending. So we have to answer, and if they will satisfy, their board will approve, and then we can give.